So, where are we going, James, or whatever? I don't know. We're just rolling around. Just like you, Thomas. Haha, yeah. Oh, what the hell is that shit? That shit is headphones. Literally. Is it ringing headphones? Where? Oh, dang. Where did these came from? They just randomly came out from the sky or whatever? Yeah, it looks like it at least. Oh, it's so weird. Oh. But what's the point if we keep them? We literally don't have any ears. Yeah, true. Who even dropped this shit? I don't know. Huh? Oh, let us go, you piece of shit. Let us go. Let us go. Never. You literally fall right into my trap. Huh? What the hell? Now I'm gonna strangle you to death. Oh, fuck no. 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 Guys, come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. My tender, I can't move without it. I can't, but it won't last long. Don't worry, I'll get some help, guys. Okay, hurry. I'm gonna come with you. Oh, never mind. Time to strangle your asses to death. Please, somebody help me. Go away. Your ass is fine, remember? Yeah, go away. You piece of shit. Go away. But go away. Oh, damn it. You guys really are assholes. Please, somebody help me. Please. Somebody help me. Hey! Keep it down there. No, please, you gotta help me. My friends are in danger. Well, I don't care about your stupid friends. See, so leave me. Oh, God damn it. No, look what you did. You gotta help me. Come on. No, get off of me. Come on, you gotta help me. What the hell is that thing? You gotta help me. What? Percy? Is that you? Oh, no, not Rainbow Dash. What do you want? What I want, nothing from you, that's for sure. Can you help us or not? Oh, hell no, I'm not helping you. Well, too bad. Huh? Really? Oh, you're such an asshole, really. So, no, why is this happening to me today? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna save my friends. I'll try. Please. I know. We can cut it with scissors or whatever. Help, does anybody have scissors? 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 Oh, thank you. You're welcome. No, shut the hell up, asshole. Oh, dang. Everybody's so mean in here. Oh, you can defeat me, you can. Oh, Uh, 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 there, you guys are free. Thanks, Thomas. We owe you our lives. Right, Percy? Yep, we actually do. Thanks, Thomas. Anytime. That's what friends are for, right? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I'm so sorry that I was showing you before. And I'm grateful that you saved my life or whatever. Can you maybe start all over again? What do you think, Percy? Give her a second chance or no? Oh, fine, sure. But no tricks this time, yeah. Actually, be nice. I will. Okay, so what are we doing now? Well, I don't really know to this point. Well, wherever you need me, just call me, alright? Alright. Oh, I gotta go. Bye. Thanks for saving me once again. You're welcome. Oh, you think she really did change? Only time will tell. Evil. Hell yeah. Because we're. I'm James, and I'm Percy, and I'm Thomas, and together we can do anything, and we can get through anything together. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we did it. We did it. Yahoo!